Honda has just dropped the CB350C Special Edition in India. And this isn't just another color swap. It's a thoughtful retro-infused refresh that elevates its aura in the fiercely competitive 350cc class. What makes a special edition stand out? It's not about reinventing the wheel. It's about emotional cues, premium touches, and exclusivity. Honda has rebadged the existing CB350 lineup as CB350C, and then given the special edition unique stripes on the tank and fenders, a chromed rear grab rail, two distinct color themes, Rebel Red Metallic and Matte Dune Brown, a fresh special edition sticker and new CB350C logos. Seats come in black or brown depending on variant. What this does is elevate desirability without messing with the core DNA, subtle but effective. Mechanically, there are no powertrain changes. What you get under the skin is the same 348.36cc, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine pushing approximately 21 PS at 5,500 RPM and 29.5 Nm at approximately 3,000 RPM, mated to a 5-speed gearbox with assist and slipper clutch. So in performance terms, you're not getting extra punch. What is upgraded is the styling aesthetics, chrome touches, striped graphics, rebranded logos, and you retain modern features like dual-channel ABS, Honda Selectable Torque Control HSTC, Emergency Stop Signal ESS, Honda's smartphone voice control, and a semi-digital instrument console. In short, same soul, shinier outfit. In India, the ex-showroom price is 201,900 rupees, approximately equals 2.02 lakh rupees. In the US, if it ever comes, you'd have to add homologation, emissions compliance, shipping, etc. $4,800 to US $5,500 or more as a niche import. As for the Philippines, if Honda brings it in, a rough ballpark might put it at 280,000 to 299,000 pesos depending on taxes, markups, and localization.